Namaste, I am Vidya Magesh Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Sorry about the delay in posting art videos. A couple of weeks before the new year, I had a mishap and fractured my left arm. On the new year, I decided to return to my sketchbooks to keep myself occupied. So, I painted lemons to begin with. This was to pep me up, for they say when life throws lemons at you, make lemonade. I decided to paint a few lemons. On day 2, I couldn't set up my camera, so I couldn't capture the making of this lovely lovebirds. On day 3, I decided to paint a pumpkin. Generally, I work with acrylics and gouache for my products or Indian art paintings. I had limited my watercolors to field trips which I couldn't pursue for the past few years. Whenever we are forced to take such a break, it is a good opportunity to rediscover our passions and assess our skills. Sketchbooks are a great way of both improving as well as evaluating our own skills. Recently, I had become quite busy with creating videos, teaching art, and creating interesting art products that I hardly found the time to work on my sketchbooks. Now that I have got this opportunity, I am planning to make the best use of it and, in the process, rediscover myself. While I am comfortable with a more smoother paper, this sketchbook paper has a little more roughness in it, which is great for the loose techniques of watercolors. The various shades of green and strong contrast of orange shades are all unified by the yellow underwash. As I continue with this painting, I start feeling a little strain on my back. So instead of finishing the whole painting with more detailed watercolors, I decided to go for ink and wash technique. The first two paintings are purely watercolors, but as I progressed with this one, I was tempted to do pen and wash technique. That's when I realized how much I love this technique. Basically, Indian art forms all have this outlining technique with black ink, and in my field trips also I usually draw with black pen and then paint them. So these two have really influenced my tastes in art as well. So I plan to work more on my sketchbook for this month while I wait for my arm to heal. Let us see what else I discover through my journey. Hope you like this video. Please let me know your views on how I can improve on creating sketchbook videos. I am quite satisfied with the way my watercolors have come out. In my future videos, I will share more tips and tricks on working on sketchbooks. I also love to experiment with different medium and style of painting. Let me see where that leads me to. Thank you for watching.